Welcome to Crystal Quotes on Leadership and Responsibility from Excel Universal School, Bazango Extension, Kubwa, Abuja. Here, we inspire and cultivate leadership qualities and a strong sense of responsibility in individuals striving for excellence. Thank you. My name is Michelle Omede.
Responsibility is what turns an ordinary person into a leader. My name is Jessica Nelson.
True leadership is tested by how well one manages responsibilities in times of crisis. My name is Takia Olsen. Leadership without responsibility is merely a title. My name is Victor Inedi.
The true test of leadership is in how well you carry the weight of responsibility. My name is Abraham from Access School. Responsibility is the first step toward leadership. Effective leadership is rooted in taking responsibility for the well-being of others. My name is Irene Wakayade and I'm from Excel Universal School. Thank you. A leader's legacy is measured by how responsibly they carry their mission. My name is Jeffrey Obanuwa. Thank you.